16 years ago, a group of 6 West Virginian students identified a significant lack of opportunity in our state, exemplified by the fact that only 52.4% of high school graduates in West Virginia decided to pursue post-secondary education.
Today, a group of 40 students provides needed social, economic, and geographic opportunities to underserved individuals throughout our state by implementing hybrid outreach, rebuilding FIRST programs, and enabling team growth.
One of our primary outreach initiatives to introduce STEM concepts to the youth of West Virginia involves the hybrid use of our STEM crafts, which are fun and engaging activities that demonstrate basic mechanical principles like circuitry.
We set up STEMcraft booths at community fairs, school science nights, and local libraries while mailing STEMcraft kits with instructional videos to events when our physical presence is impossible. Since implementing the hybrid model, we have distributed over 2,200 STEMcrafts across the state. To bridge the gap between STEM interest and FIRST involvement, we transformed what was once our storage facility into the Mars Innovation Building.
In the 6 months following that transformation, we have housed over 200 hours of STEM education in this workspace, providing FLL, REC drone, and FRC teams a sense of stability that many have lacked since the pandemic.
Named after our late founding mentor, Phil Tucker, Mars's Tucker Teams is an initiative undertaken at every event we attend. Embodying our motto, "No Robot Left Behind," Tucker Teams offers teams anything they may need, from extra materials to new perspectives.
During the pandemic, we expanded Tucker Teams beyond competitions with our Tucker Teams digital help desk. Now anyone can go to our website and submit any questions they may have or schedule a Zoom meeting with our students and mentors. Recognizing that people thrive in an environment where they feel accepted, we developed a diversity committee. Every year, this committee gathers to compose an equity plan that will guide our initiatives to make our team, FIRST, and West Virginia feel more inclusive.
The equity plan's current initiatives include receiving safe space training, providing period products at our competitions and workspaces, and providing STEM crafts to patients with impaired motor skills.
Our focus on comfort and inclusion is what enables our tight-knit family culture. Through long practices and group meals, Mars has become a secondary support system for many.
By making Mars free to join and admitting individuals from 5 counties, our approach to family culture allows us to break the barriers that limit student involvement. This provides a wide diversity of thought and background when approaching challenges. By emphasizing opportunity, we built up our community and prepared our students for life after Mars. This has resulted in 97% of our alumni pursuing post-secondary education. We have always placed a focus on creating the next generation of leaders and innovators.
We came to be inspired.
We stay because we are.
We will become the inspiration.
We are Mars.